Okay, in this video sizokhuluma ngama-quadratic equations, but I'm sure there's several ways of solving ama-quadratic equations. So in this video focus only on the factoring method. Né? So I have a general form of a quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c. Né? So uma usolve ama-quadratic equations using the factoring method uzodinga two numbers, ne? Uzothi nawuzimultiply zikunikeze the value of c, and at the same time lezo zinamba uzothi nawuzi-adda zikunikeze the value of b. That's why ngibhale product and sum, ne? And one more thing before siqala ukwenza ama-examples, I think mention a trinomial nangabe uyayifactorize, ne, uzophuma nani nama-binomials ayi-2. I actually created a video where I explain the different methods of doing a factorization, but then in the description below there's a video explainer into details on how to get ama-factors with trinomial. So i-check izokunceda nayo in order ukuthi ukwazi ukusolve ama-quadratic equation. So for now, let's take an example. Let's take an example. 1x squared minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Né? So whenever we solve ama-quadratic equations using the factoring method, ufuna two numbers ezothi nawuzimultiply zikunikeze a positive 9 for this example. Uzothi nawubuye uzi-add futhi lezo zinamba eziyi-2 zikunikeze u-minus 6. Ne? So asiqale ngokubheka the product. Asiqale ukubheka this 9. Ne? Asithola ama-factors ka-9 esothi, or let me say, asithole two numbers, ne? A set of two numbers ezothi nasizimultiply zisinikeze u-9 qala, ne? Zonke lezo zinamba sizilist, ne? Two numbers ezothi nasizimultiply zisinikeze positive 9. 9 and 1 banginikeza u-9. 9 times 1, sorry, 1 times 9 is 9. And then asithole another pair, 3 times 3 zinginikeza a 9. Angisho zinginikeza u-9. Amanye ama-factors ezinye izinamba eziyi-2 nangizothi ngiyazimultiply zikunikeze u-9 azisekho. So sizogcina la, ne? Bheka-ke, angisho lezo zinamba eziyi-2 kumele ngithi nangizi-adda zikunikeze u-minus 6 futhi, ne? So nangizo-adda u-1 no-9, noma ngithi ngiyasubtract u-1 no-9 angeke nginikeze u-minus 6. So this one is out. 3 and 3, it's obvious ngoba 3 plus 3 izokunikeza u-6, but ngifuna a negative 6, not just a 6. Angisho a negative 3 and a negative 3, ne? A negative 3 and a negative 3 ngizothi nangiba-adda, ne, bazokunikeza a minus 6. Angisho signs are the same, so nangi-adda ngathi ngiyehla nalelo kanje, ngiyehla nale negative sign. Ama-sign akafani uya-adda, nangaba akafani uya-subtract. Angisho so bheka-ke this same negative 3 nangi-multiply no-negative 3 nginikeza a positive 9. So kumele uma ukeep ama-factors la, always be mindful of ama-signs, ne? So bheka-ke a trinomial nangabe uyayi-factorize uzothola ama-binomial ayi-2. So ama-factors wale trinomial it's minus 3 and minus 3, ne? Minus 3 and minus 3. So check this out again. So ngoba sowutholile ama-factors wale trinomial, uzothatha this one bracket we equate it to 0, and then or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So kuna 2 yama-brackets, but the answer ngizoyithola izofana. X is 3, x is 3, ne? X is 3, x is 3. Kumele uthathe one bracket we equate to 0 because uma multiply any two numbers, ne? any two numbers bese zikunikeza u-0. In order for leyo condition to be met, one of the brackets must be equal to 0. So in order ukuthi lelo bracket libe equal to 0, x kwamele abe u-3. That's why sithatha one bracket equator to 0 and the other bracket equator to 0, ne? Okay, start a second example. Y squared plus 5y minus 36 equal to, okay, same logic. ngibheka izinamba eziyi-2 ezimultipliers zinikeza u-36. It's 1 and 36, 6 and 6 banginikeza u-36, 4 and 9. 4 and 9, let me check. 4 and 9, yes, 4 and 9. So aphelela la ama-factors wami, ne? Lena nangizothi ngizimultiply zokunikeza u-36 but angeke zikunikeze minus 5, positive 5, sorry. A 6 and a 6 angeke banginikeze u-positive 5. So a 9 and a 4, bheka-ke nangizothi 9 subtract 4 ngithola a 5. So lena it is a good pair, ne? This one it's a good pair ke le, ne? Bheka-ke 4 times 9 is 36, but the nangizimultiply kwabeze kunikeza u-minus 36 and a positive 5. So in order ukuthi ngimultiply ngithole a negative 36, one of these numbers komele zibe negative. So lana ngifuna ukuthola ubani u-positive 5. Bheka-ke nangizothi positive 9 negative 4, ama-signs akafani ke manje ngenzani, ngiyasubtract. Nangisubtract ngithola u-5, but the answer yami izoba positive because ngithatha the sign of the bigger number. So le times le it's negative 36, le plus le it's positive 5. So ama-factors wami lawo ke, it's y plus 9 and minus 4, ne? Plus 9 and minus 4 equal to 0, ne? Therefore uthatha bracket eli-1, uthatha one binomial equate to 0, or y plus 9 equate to 0. So y is equal to 4, y is equal to negative 9, ne? So yeah, I think singayiyekela la, ne? But then this is how you solve quadratic equations using the factoring method, ne? You're looking for two numbers, is what now is multiplier zikunikeze the value of c, and uma uthi uyazi-add zikunikeze the value of b. Then ube mindful of ama-signs. Ama-signs uzowa-decide naso utholile ipair yakho, angisho. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and then stay tuned for more.